Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Just gonna tell you about a little package I got in the mail today. I'm so very happy about this. Start off with a little letter we saw. This is from our friends, obviously, at Google. So I thought maybe this would be an Easter egg. This was some sort of fancy, commentary or some sort of Easter egg. No, it's just newspaper print. Recycling. Good for them. So we've got in here the new Nest Mini, which I'm excited for because this comes with that new little bracket that we can mount against the wall. And then here's the Pixel 4. Awesome. And just for giggles, they threw in the case as well. So that is an opportunity to start playing with all the cool stuff. And I got a made by Google bag. That is cool. That is neat. Reminds me of the polka dot door kind of thing. Do you guys remember the polka dot door? Any other Canadians? Or is it just it's a TV Ontario thing? So I wasn't sure. So I pulled out the Pixel 3 XL. So this is just the 4, not the XL, which is okay. That's fine. Just to give you an idea of the separation. And let's pull this thing out. So I'm allowed to do a bit of unboxing. I can't turn it on and show you guys any of that fun stuff. But let's go here. There's the phone. Just to give you guys a comparison against the XL model. So what the size difference is. Which, I don't know, I've been kind of enjoying a slightly smaller phone. I've been using the Galaxy S10 for a while. I kind of like that slightly smaller, the non-plus versions. So there we are. It's got that neat little camera in the back there. In the box, we're going to have your manuals and ejector pins. We've got a USB cable, the adapter. We don't have a headphone adapter, which they did in the previous model, which is alright. I don't care. I don't use wired headphones anyways. So that's pretty neat. Let's take a look at this case. Alright, so last year's case, all these material stuff they do, but they've been big on making sure they talk about using recycled products for this. So it's a little kind of denim kind of case. Same kind of material. Not as tightly woven with a denier count thing, and it's got that sort of pink in the back there. So looks like you can wash that. I guess that's what that means. What does that mean? Hand wash, dry, flat. Well, that is cool because I did not know that. I don't know if you could do that with this guy. Probably not. This is that thing because that's got a bit of dirt and oils on it. Awesome. Pixel 4. I am looking forward to playing with you. Obviously, after I get my review done for the Galaxy S10, just to give you an idea of size of the S10. About the same size, give or take, right? So that'd be a nice little handy in the hand. Now, we also have some cases from Catalyst to try out with it. But yeah, I am excited to play with that. I'm excited to play around with the new Nest Mini. Let's just open this guy up and see what it looks like. I mean, it looks exactly the same as the other one, so it's been kind of tough for me to remember which one is which. I've got 4 in the house, plus the Nest Hub. It kind of pretty much looks exactly the same as the others. You can mount on the wall with that thingy. And yeah, it does use a barrel type connector versus a USB, micro USB connector. So that is interesting. Different change. And just a plug. And there is no wall adapter in here. Maybe I got my information wrong. That doesn't come with it. It's an accessory maybe you have to buy after the fact. play around. NES Mini, Pixel 4 case, and I got some other cases to play around with. Made by Google's off to a great start. Okay, if you have any questions, folks, just give me a holler.